Today, let's learn how to count to 100. First of all, let's just do the tens before learning how to say such numbers as 21 or 35 later on in this video. So let's just start with the tens. Fih-ha, 20. Fih-ha, tree-kha or trukha, 30. Tree-kha, trukha, da-hed or ka-hru-kha, 40. Da-hed, ka-hru-kha, kway-ga, 50. Kway-ga, shas-ka, 60. Shas-ka, shokh-toh, 70. Shokh-toh, ochtó, 80. Ochtó, no-kha or nee-kha, 90. No-kha, nee-kha, céad, 100. Céad. Now let's count between the tens. If you know how to count from 1 to 9 in Irish, you'll find this quite easy. So 1 to 9 is a hayn, a dó, a tree, a ceathair, a cúig, a sé, a seacht, a ochtó, a nee, or a nee. Now let's see how we'd say 21 in Irish. Fih-ha, 21. Fih-ha, a hayn. Fih-ha. 22. Fih-dó. Slowly. Fih-ha, a dó. Fih-dó. 33. Tríocha tree. Tríocha tree. Or trukha tree. Trukha-a tree. Trukha tree. 44. Da-hed ceathair or caoga ceathair. Slowly. Da-hed a ceathair. Caoga ceathair. Caoga ceathair. 55 is kway-ga cúig. Kway-ga cúig. Shas-ka sé is 66. Shas-ka sé. 77 is shokh-toh seacht. Slowly. Shokh-toh a seacht. Seacht a seacht. 88 is ochtó. Ochtó a hocht. Ochtó. 99 is nócha a nee or nee-kha nee. Slowly. Nócha a nee. Nee-kha nee. Now you'll hear people count using score. So you'll often hear raw score to mean 40. You'll also hear such longer numbers as seacht mbliana déag agus trí scór, which means 77. Seacht mbliana déag is 17 agus and 3 scór, 3 scores. So 17 and 3 scores, literally. Scored is equal to 20. Fih-ha. I hope you found today's little lesson useful. If you want to learn more Irish like this, check out www.bitesize.irish. Slán go Pauline.